Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 43-inch Saniyo LED TV. In this TV the complaint is picture comes for a second, then immediately picture fades and become no display. See friends, here we already opened the TV back cover. This TV comes with a full HD LG LED panel along with the LG TCON board. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. Anyway, we can repair this panel using a temporary solution by using the taping method. Here you can see these are the gate signal tracks from left and right side. See here, using taping method we are going to block left side gate signal tracks from the left side FFC cable. See friends, now we block the gate signals but the complaint remains same, so let's do this in opposite side of the glass panel. See friends, after blocking right side gate signal tracks, now the picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. So this is just temporary solution. Permanent solution is panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it, hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.